For centuries, we humans have known about the healing properties and health benefits of ginger. The root is packed full of minerals, like potassium, manganese, copper, and magnesium, while also being high in vitamins A, C, and E. It is also thought to block prostaglandins, which are responsible for muscle contractions, inflammation, and some hormones. Why ginger is so good for you? Potassium is good for your heart rate and blood pressure. The high dose of antioxidants is also known to help with heartburn. Ginger helps to fight off migraines because of its ability to settle upset stomachs and nausea, common symptoms of migraines. The blocking of prostaglandins stops the muscle contractions that bring on migraines too. Gingerol is the active constituent of ginger and is responsible for its anti-inflammatory properties that aid in joint and muscle pain. This, coupled with the antioxidants, can significantly help pain associated with conditions such as arthritis. Ginger water is a simple, healthy and delicious way you can get the full amount of benefits in the fewest steps. So if you're a sufferer of migraines, heartburn, joint or muscle pain, then check out this recipe you can make in less than 1 minute. Ginger water recipe. What you need: 2-inch piece of ginger, 3 cups water, half a lemon, raw honey. What to do? 1. Grate the ginger using a zester. 2. Add 2-3 cups of water with the half lemon juice. 3. Stir in about a spoonful of honey. 4. Enjoy as many times as you like throughout the day. This ginger water has worked wonders for me, so hopefully it can help you just the same. Even if you don't have any symptoms for the pains listed, ginger water is a delicious and healthy drink to enjoy year-round. Looking for an easier way to get the health benefits of ginger? Why not try pure ginger root extract powder? Ginger comes from the same botanical family as cardamom and turmeric and has been used for thousands of years. The rhizome contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.